Good day and welcome. Still beginning with University of Abuja Physics Post UTME past question 37. A stone is dropped from the top of a tall building, and at the same time another stone is thrown vertically upwards from the ground level with a velocity of 20 meters per second. Now these two stones meet exactly 2 seconds after their release. How tall is the building? A 50 meter, B 60 meters, C 70 meters, D 40 meters, and E none of the above. Now this is what this question is trying to say. Assuming this is the building, a stone was thrown up from the ground, and then a stone was thrown down from up. Now the stone that was tossed down came like this, and then the other one up was going like this according to the direction of the arrow. Now exactly 2 seconds after these stones were thrown simultaneously, we notice that they meet at this horizontal point. And the question is asking us to find the height of this building. So now the height of this building, you agree with me, is the distance between here and here, which is the same thing as the distance traveled by stone A and the distance traveled by stone B. Now mind you, stone A is the stone that was thrown from up down, and then the one that was thrown from down upward is stone B. Now for stone A, the initial velocity U equals 0 because it's starting from rest. The time, like I said, is 2 seconds, and then the acceleration due to gravity is 10. Now 10 meters per second squared. So the distance that it takes stone A to reach that point, S, will be equal to what? UT plus 1 all over 2 or half AT squared. Now UT, our U, like I said, is 0 multiplied by 2 plus half, our A is 10 multiplied by T squared, which is 2 squared. Now if you solve for that, you get that 0 times 2 gives you 0, half multiplied by 10 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 4. Now if you solve, you find out our answer is 20 meters. Now for stone A, it took 20 meters. Now we consider stone B separately also, and for the second stone, which I called stone B, the initial velocity U is equal to what? 20 meters per second. Now 20 meters per second. The time is also 2 seconds. Time is also 2 seconds, and the acceleration due to gravity here will be minus 10. Now this acceleration is minus 10 because it is tagged a negative acceleration or deceleration. Now it reduces the velocity from of 20 meters per second until it reaches 0 meters per second, which will be the final velocity to attain at a particular height. So in respect to these figures, we have that our B is similar. UT plus half AT squared is the formula, and we had that our U, like I said, our U is 20 multiplied by 2, which is the T, plus 1 all over 2. Our A is minus 10 multiplied by minus 10 multiplied by 2 squared. Now if you solve for that, you have that 20 multiplied by 20 gives you 40. Now minus 10 multiplied by 2 gives you minus 20 multiplied by 2 squared, 2 squared gives you 4. So minus 10 multiplied by 4 gives you minus 40 divided by 2 gives you minus 20. So you have 40 minus 20, which would give you 20. So you have that for A the distance is 20 and for B the distance is 20. Now you have that from here to here it is 20, and we have that from here to here is also 20. So what we do simply is to sum up. So we have that our total distance now becomes 20 plus 20 for A and 20 plus for B, which will give you 40 meter, and that's the same thing as option D, 40 meter. So option D is the correct option. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.